Hello everyone. I'm Xiao Li. Welcome to subscribe to my channel. Featured area at the top right of the video, position of the letter I flashing. There are more quality technology videos. You can click to view. Share this video. Important reminder, please be sure to watch this video to the end. Microsoft is testing a tabbed file Explorer UI in a Windows 11 dev channel build. This feature is currently hidden, but it can be enabled manually using Vive tool. Since many iterations of the OS, one of the most popular features in Windows is the tabbed view in the default file Explorer supported. Initially, it was speculated that as Microsoft rewrote key parts of the OS with a new UI framework, Windows 11 will eventually see this feature for the first time. But this hasn't happened in the current public build. Yet a tabbed file explorer may become a reality after all. Tagged File Explorer is currently a hidden feature in Windows Insider Dev Channel Build 22572. As first discovered by known Microsoft enthusiast Rafael Rivera, the tabbed view in the Explorer can be activated with the Vive tool enable function 34370472. You need to download Vive tool. This is a small program. With it you can enable the hidden functions of Windows. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Be sure to turn on the little bell. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded. See you in the next video.